Hey all, Matt with Bonsai here on a nice rainy day to do another package unboxing. This time I ordered in some stuff from Eastern Leaf and I figured we could open it up together, so let's get to it. Alright, so I ordered two little tree favors that they use at Eastern Leaf. They send them out. Sorry, it's a little bit rocky for now. We'll get this straightened out. Okay, so you can order these for like gifts for parties, things like that. I just figured I'd order two of them and see how it all ships together. Let's see what all we got here. We got Eastern Leaf Zen Gardening Favorites and Care Guide. That's pretty cool. Then we have an invoice, some packaging peanuts, and then let's see if we can find them. I'm just going to mush these packaging peanuts real quick. Alright, here's one little guy. So this is a little pine, and that's in a little burlap bag, which is super cute. And then we have this nice little olive branch that's also in a burlap bag. So that should be it for this order. Just two little simple things this time. Let's pop open this little burlap bag real quick. Give me 1 second. Alright, so the burlap bags are just more or less just decorative because these are for you to give as like party favors. There was notes and stuff that I saw you could order as well, but I was just ordering them to check out these little trees. So right now all I'm doing is just taking the plastic bags and everything off of them so that we can have a good look here. One more to do. Alright, so some super cute little guys there. This one's just a little white pine. My thought is, I mean, I've got lots of time and stuff, so we can turn these into bonsais over a long period of time. The only thing I want to do real quick is this little leaf right here is ripped, so I'm just going to come in, get rid of that. Other than that, everything looks pretty nice on both of these. So let's just give them a mist. Just say welcome back. We'll just mist them instead of a full-on water for now. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Quick little unboxing from Eastern Leaf. If you are looking for little party favors, these things ship out pretty healthily and they would make awesome little gifts for people. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if you want to be notified every time I make a new video, hit the bell notification. Thank you.